Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise to respond to the question on measures taken to ensure the effective use of centralized disability data hub. Mr. Speaker, sir, the centralized disability data hub was launched on 29th November 2024 with the support of Australia-Fiji-Vuvale partnership. To date, 500 individuals have been assessed and recorded in the system. In addition, the Ministry of Women, Children and Social Protection maintains a digitized database of persons accessing the allowance for persons with disability, which now records approximately 13,000 cases. Mr. Speaker, to ensure coordination and effective utilization of the data hub, our bilateral Disability Inclusion Working Group has been established. This group brings together the 5 key Fiji organizations of persons with disabilities, namely the Fiji Disabled Persons Federation, Spinal Injuries Association, United Blind Persons Association, Psychiatric Survivors Association, and the Fiji Association of Deaf. The working group collaborates closely with relevant government ministries, civil society organizations, and development partners to address funding gaps, enhance data sharing, and promote more strategic and efficient approaches to disability inclusion. In 2023, a scoping study was conducted to review the disability data collection across government and non-government agencies and provided key recommendations, including establishment of a central database of disability research under the National Council of Persons with Disabilities, or NCPD, development of OPD database in partnership with Fiji Disabled Persons Federation, and creation of a roadmap for a national disability data hub. Mr. Speaker, sir, to guide the implementation of these recommendations, a Disability Data Hub working group has been established. The technical group has overarching responsibility for the development and operationalization of Article 31 of the Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities and the Priority Area 3.2 of the Fiji National Policy on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, which focuses on data and research. The working group has a draft terms of reference which outlines its key objectives that includes providing advice and guidance to government, organizations of persons with disabilities, disability service providers, research institutions, and development partners on disability data priorities, implementation approaches, and risk management strategies. Guide, review, and build upon the development of National Disability Data Hub roadmap and implementation plan to ensure the alignment of the roadmap with national commitments and international obligations, advocate for disability data strengthening and harmonization at the national level, and to provide oversight, monitoring, and review of the endorsed roadmap for the Disability Data Hub. Mr. Speaker, to support its implementation, the Ministry, through the National Council of Persons with Disabilities, is looking to recruit a dedicated officer who will manage the Data Hub and lead engagement with development partners to mobilize funding for sustainability and system enhancement. The long-term plan is to establish a National Disability Data Hub that will serve as a central platform where all disability-related data across government ministries and agencies can be integrated, harmonized, and analyzed. This will significantly strengthen evidence-based decision-making, policy formulation, and service delivery for persons with disabilities in Fiji. The Data Hub Working Group will also coordinate capacity-building activities, particularly in the use of Washington Group's short set of questions already applied by the Fiji Bureau of Statistics, which remains the government's primary collector of disability data. Mr. Speaker, the Ministry reaffirms that data and research is a priority area under the endorsed Fiji National Policy on Rights of Persons with Disabilities. The key outcomes of this priority are to ensure the collection of accurate data and research findings to inform inclusive, evidence-based policies, programs, and services, and improve the quality of evidence on the lives and needs of persons with disabilities in Fiji, enabling progress to be effectively measured and assessed. We acknowledge the valuable contributions of the Ministry of Ethiopia Affairs, the Ministry of Agriculture, and the National Disaster Risk Management Office for applying the Washington Group questions in their sectoral data collection. The Ministry continues to work closely with Fiji Bureau of Statistics and the Pacific community to strengthen analytical capacity and close existing data and analysis gaps. Mr. Speaker, in terms of timeline, the establishment of Disability Resource Data Hub was scheduled for year 1, and this milestone has already been achieved with the launch of OPD Data Hub. The Ministry's Disability Resource Data Hub remains active and is being continuously updated with disability-related publications and datasets to support integrated evidence-based policymaking and reporting. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.